guys, I already did my brows, as you can see, so I'm gonna go in with some moisturizer and moisturize my face, and this one is from Nivea. Now I'm gonna go straight into doing eyeshadow, so I'm gonna apply some concealer on my eyelids, and this one is the Multi Sculpting Concealer by Too Faced, and I'm gonna use my wet sponge to blend it out all over my lid like that, and I like to take it into the side of my nose as well. Now I'm going to go in with my setting powder. This one is the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. And I'm going to just dab it all over where I added the concealer. And before I put it on my eye, I dust it off. I pat it onto the back of my hand. And then I apply it on just like that. So I'm going to start off with some bronzer on my lids. And this one is from Benefit Cosmetics. And I'm going to just apply this up here like so, and I'm gonna bring it into the corner of my nose right here like that. Today I'm gonna be using my Blend Bunny Cosmetic palette to do my shadow, and since I'm wearing burgundy, it's only right that I go in with burgundy on my lid, right? So that's what I'm gonna do. Add some burgundy right here. And this is so pigmented. Oh my god, look at the amount that went on from just one application. I was not expecting that much up there, but I like it. I'm actually gonna go back over it with a brush to blend it out some, but I like to start applying it with my finger for some reason. Okay, so to blend out the top part right here, I use a little bit of this one and just smudge it like that, smudge it out. So now I'm gonna go in with a darker shade, and I like this one right here, so that's the one I'm gonna use. And I'm gonna apply this one on my inner crease, just like so, and then just blend it in. Again, I'm gonna use that light shade that I showed you guys just now to smudge out the edges like that. Now for the inner corner, I'm gonna go ahead and add white. And as you can see here, I'm bringing the white all the way up here, just blending it into the other colors up there. I like the look of it, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some eyeliner and my eyelashes, and I will be right back. Now guys, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some Garnier Green Lab Serum Cream on my face before applying my foundation, because foundation is next. And the foundation I'm using today is gonna be this one, my L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear, and this is what the bottle look like, and the shade is 510. I believe that's the shade there. And I'm gonna just pump some on the back of my hand and then use my finger to apply it onto my face. When I tell you that I love this foundation, I absolutely love it. Now I'm gonna go ahead with my concealer, the same one from earlier, and I'm gonna go apply it here, on the tip of my nose bridge, a little bit right here, and some on my lip, and a little bit right there. And while it's drying down, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some contour also. So I like to take my contour high up like that, you know, and then a little bit here, a little bit here, and a little bit right here. Okay, so I'm gonna blend out the contour now and then the concealer after. Now I'm gonna go in with my sponge again to blend out my concealer, and I'm gonna start under my eyes. And as you see, as I'm blending it, I take my time and go up higher and higher with it. And I'm taking the concealer on my nose bridge and bring it up into the one on my forehead like that. So now I'm gonna go ahead and set the concealer. So as I dip my sponge into the setting powder, I dust it on the back of my hand like that before applying it on to the concealer, because I'm trying not to add too much on there. Next, I'm gonna go in with my bronzer again, and I'm gonna just apply it on where I applied the contour not too long ago. I'm gonna add some of my MAC setting powder on top of what we have going on here. Actually, not setting powder, it's a finishing powder. Do you see how it's softened up my makeup look? That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. So I have decided not to do any blush, so we're just gonna go straight in with highlighter. Now I'm gonna go ahead and line my lip using the first lip liner I found. Now I'm gonna add some lipstick. This one is from NYX, and this one is called Tokyo. So let's do it. I already knew I wanted pink, so why not? Next, I'm gonna go on top of this lipstick with some lip gloss because I want to make it glossy. I'm gonna need to get one of those lip gloss that you just squeeze out because this ain't coming out fast enough for me. But it's glossy. I like it. I love the way it's looking. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face now, and I'm using my NYX matte finish setting spray. Alright guys, that's it. I'm gonna go change, let my hair down, all of that good stuff, and I will be back to show you guys the finished look. And this is a finished look of the makeup, you guys. I am so happy I went with burgundy, and yes, I went with burgundy because I am wearing burgundy here. Of course, I think it turned out real pretty, and I'm also happy I went with the pink lip. I think everything just came together so well. But I want to hear what you guys think, so definitely leave your feedback in the comments down below. If you have any questions, do make sure you ask. Yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel once more. I will see you in the next one. Bye.